Emerging as a leader in the metal processing field, JSR Machinery is specialized in producing high-quality and productive equipment for customers around the world. Boasting over 6,000 square meters, the Wuxi Jinshirui Machinery Factory is located just north of Shanghai in Jiangsu Province. The workshop is easily accessible by transportation due to its superior geographical location. At Jinshirui Machinery, we are equipped with advanced processing equipment such as gantry milling machines, cylindrical grinder, CNC lathes, and so on. The manufacturing process is closely monitored at every step, ensuring that our finished products are high-performing and delivered on schedule. Furthermore, the CNC lathes in Jinshirui Machinery guarantee the long-term accuracy of our sheet metals. Our frontline leader is a technical engineer with over 20 years of experience in the metal processing field. His role focuses on developing the skills of our employees, including our qualified sound technician. Expanding his efforts, he has upgraded our products to meet the standards of our customers. Before leaving the factory, we conduct vigorous tests and checkout procedures to make sure our products are qualified to meet a variety of applications. After being refilled with hydraulic liquid, our machines are easy to install, operate, and can start working automatically. Jinshirui Machinery has adopted the Mitsubishi Siemens control system to guarantee perfect durability and a high productivity of the machines. After being exported to the United States, our machines have a positive record of working soundly in every environment. Our sales team are committed to identifying your unique needs and make sure that your needs are met. Customers can instantly share questions via photos or videos in conference software, providing a real-time resource on relevant information regarding your machine. Using Copra RF software, Jinshirui Machinery has a 20-year-long history in manufacturing the machines with a high accuracy and long-term durability. A wide range of roll-forming machines in Jinshirui Machinery is available for your selection and needs, including roof and wall sheet forming machine, CZ purlin forming machine, floor deck forming machine, cable tray roll forming line, scaffolding plank roll forming line, guardrail roll forming line, rack forming machine, step beam forming machine, drywall forming machine. We also offer custom machines that are tailored to your requirements. Our products have been widely exported to many countries worldwide, including Australia, India, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, Colombia, Ghana, Malawi, and more.